Hey man, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla.
Wow, my people, Dancehall skilla there again with more things to talk to you about. Big up and respect to each and every one. Hope that everyone alright? Manners and respect, you see? Alright, now first things first, my people. I am going to present a video to you that I recorded within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. I don't have any confirmed information as to when the video will be recorded. Now, based on certain places that this video has been posted on social media with some words, I got the understanding that the video shows some things that happened during a protest within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. This video has been posted more than one places on social media with words that gave me the understanding that citizens within the country of Trinidad and Tobago protested because of something that the government of Trinidad and Tobago had done. So I did some research to see if I could get some more understanding about the video and about the whole situation for subscribers, and I got information that the government of Trinidad and Tobago banned the exportation of scrap iron for a certain amount of months. Now, I'm going to present the video to you so that you can take a look at the video for yourself. You can also let me know what you think. But I want you to please bear in mind that this video shows some things that some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might not want to see. The video shows how a person had been arrested or detained by the police within the country of Trinidad and Tobago. In the video, you can hear persons yelling and shouting. The video shows a certain amount of civilians and police officers from within the country of Trinidad and Tobago. So before I present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think.
Alright, they got turn up later. Alright, now man. Alright. Other people are busy there? Alright. Alright. What's the spray now? What's the spray now? Okay, alright. Papa Smith. Hey, Redo, you better run line no. You can't spend the basket. You better run line no. Well, let me tell you this. I don't get exactly what I'm looking for. For that fast, because
Alright, now my people, it's when it comes down to this thing where it said that the government of Trinidad and Tobago banned the exportation of scrap irons for a certain amount of months, that is said to be 6 months, viewers and subscribers. You see, me get the understanding that some persons disagree with it and some persons agree with it, in my point of view. So me answer my people, because you know, me see quite a number of videos posted on social media that shows persons who stole cable wires. You see me answer my people, and allegedly, it is believed that those cable wires had been stolen because of this whole scrap metal or scrap iron trade. You understand? So maybe those type of things that happened might have contributed to the government of Trinidad and Tobago ban the exportation of scrap iron within Trinidad and Tobago. So me answer my people, you know, just hope you understand what me answer, because on a real, I see some videos that shows persons climbing utility poles and all them things. So me I say, it don't look good. Just imagine you're in your house and you watch your cable or your internet and then bloop, it just gone, and you think say, well, it's just a normal thing. Only to realize the next day or the morning that the cable wires had been removed from the utility poles. You understand that's not good, you know, and that is dangerous for whosoever do those kind of things, viewers and subscribers, because utility poles, electricity wires and all them things, no, that's dangerous. I mean, what if someone falls? Someone can lose all them life. But it seems as if some persons might not care when they are trying to get cable wires or so forth. But anyways, my people, you can let me know what you think. You know, and with that, I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I read more than one news articles that gave me the understanding that on the 17th of August, the year 2022, a female allegedly cuts off her boyfriend's penis with a knife after he tried to rape her 14-year-old daughter. Now, according to more than one news articles that I read, viewers and subscribers, it is said that the mother is in India and that she have no regrets when it comes on to this whole situation. See? And it is said that she's in her 30s, viewers and subscribers. And it is said that the police said that the man who allegedly is said to be the boyfriend and wounded is in his 30s as well. I didn't get any confirmed information about any of their names, viewers and subscribers. See? Now, based on those news articles that I read, it is said that the female said that she was working in the farm when the incident took place, and fortunately, she returned home in the nick of time and caught him red-handed or in the act. You see what I say? So, it is said that the female said that the man attacked her when she tried to save her daughter, and she got a knife from the kitchen and swoop, damage to the private part. It is said that she said to teach him a lesson. And I say no. The news article said that she said to teach him a lesson. See? It is said that police said that the man who is in his 30s has been booked for rape. However, was in a critical condition, viewers and subscribers, or a vital condition. Bad condition based on what allegedly happened to the man. See? And I didn't get any confirmed information if the female had been charged based on this incident that happened, viewers and subscribers. So I say, yeah, I didn't get any confirmed information if the female had been charged by the police or not. Yes, I say. And I didn't get any confirmed information about the man's alleged medical condition. See? Yeah, I didn't get any information if doctor helped to fix it, if you know what I mean. You see what I say? My people, what do you think about the whole thing that I just said to you? I mean, if those news articles that I read gave proper and accurate information, then what do you think about the things that I said? You see me? I mean, what do you think about the female who allegedly had done certain things? Children should be protected at all times. See, in my point of view, children should be protected no matter what. You see me? I say we are talking about children, you know. Children. We have to guide them. You see? So, when me get some form of understanding about this alleged incident, viewers and subscribers, me say, you know what? Even though I have certain things to show you, like pictures and videos, I'm not gonna know about this. Yeah, man. It's sad though. Now, on another news now, viewers and subscribers, I saw pictures circulating on social media that shows Mike Tyson in a wheelchair, viewers and subscribers. And in my point of view, those pictures really and truly raises concerns among his fans on social media, you know, viewers and subscribers. As I say, maybe I have social media too. You see? So, I did some research and I got information that Mike Tyson was seen at a airport in a wheelchair, viewers and subscribers, and you know, it is said that he suffered from a medical condition that have something to do with his back, viewers and subscribers. You understand me? Yeah, so it seems as if a flare up in my point of view based on information that I got. Mike Tyson is said to be in his 50s. At least, yeah, it is said that he is a 56-year-old, viewers and subscribers. See? Now, I also got information that some time ago, Mike Tyson was seen with a cane. And I'm talking about the type of cane we then walk with, not a sugar cane like with grow to make sugar and so forth. You see me? Yeah, cane. You see me, as some people. And, you know, this whole thing really and truly sparks concern among his fans and social media, viewers and subscribers. You see me? A lot of comments have been made about those pictures on social media. You understand me, viewers and subscribers? So, Mike Tyson, a former heavyweight champion, was seen in a wheelchair, you know, and it is said that he was wheelchaired through an airport that is located within the United States of America. We're all just human beings, you know. I mean, as we get older, certain things in our body change. Some of us might get back pain, some of us might have different issues, or some of us might don't even feel anything at all until way up in age or so forth. I just life, you see it? But the thing about it is, you know, those pictures are being talked about on social media. I'm just making know about those pictures as well, viewers and subscribers. And I real, I hope that him recover well and alright soon, you know. And Mike Tyson, you know, former heavyweight champion. The boss, what you say, man? Yeah. Anyways, my people, I ask me all left it, you know. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.